Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Confidence. I'm Paul, and I'm really glad you're here today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something very real. Small problems in daily life. Sometimes we miss the bus. Sometimes we lose our keys. Sometimes things just don't go as planned. Today you'll learn 6 useful expressions that native speakers use when talking about these small everyday problems. First, I'll explain the vocabulary clearly and simply. Then, you'll listen to a short talk and practice shadowing. Finally, you'll hear a longer dialogue where these expressions are repeated naturally. Remember, small problems happen to everyone. Let's learn how to talk about them with confidence. Run late means arrive later than planned. Miss the bus means not catch the bus in time. Lose my keys means not know where your keys are. Run late, miss the bus, lose my keys. Break down means stop working, for machines or cars. Deal with means handle or manage a problem. No big deal means not a serious problem. Run late, miss the bus, lose my keys. Break down, deal with, no big deal.
Small problems happen almost every day. Sometimes I run late because I wake up too slowly. Last week, I missed the bus, and I had to wait 20 minutes for the next one. Another time, I couldn't leave the house because I lost my keys. I spent 10 minutes looking everywhere before I found them in my bag. A few months ago, my car broke down on the way to work. It wasn't serious, but I had to deal with the situation calmly. Now, when small problems happen, I try not to panic. I remind myself it's no big deal. Life isn't perfect, and small problems are normal. The important thing is to stay calm and handle them one step at a time.
Now it's time for shadowing practice. Listen carefully to the audio. After each short pause, repeat the sentence out loud. You won't see the text on the screen this time, and that's intentional. When you only listen and repeat, your brain focuses more on sound, rhythm, and intonation. This helps your pronunciation become more natural over time. Don't worry if it feels challenging at first. That's how improvement begins. You don't need to be perfect. Just listen, repeat, and keep going. Take a deep breath. Let's begin.
Small problems happen almost every day. Sometimes I run late because I wake up too slowly. Last week, I missed the bus, and I had to wait 20 minutes for the next one. Another time, I couldn't leave the house because I lost my keys. I spent 10 minutes looking everywhere before I found them in my bag. A few months ago, my car broke down on the way to work. It wasn't serious, but I had to deal with the situation calmly. Now, when small problems happen, I try not to panic. I remind myself it's no big deal. Life isn't perfect, and small problems are normal. The important thing is to stay calm and handle them one step at a time.
You look a little stressed. Did something happen?
Yeah, I ran late this morning. I woke up late and everything felt rushed.
Oh no. Did you still make it on time?
Not really. I actually missed the bus. When I got to the station, the bus was already leaving.
That's frustrating. I hate it when I miss the bus. It makes me run even later.
Exactly. And it didn't stop there. When I got home yesterday, I couldn't find my keys. I thought I lost my keys again.
You lost your keys? That's the worst.
Yes, I kept saying, did I lose my keys? Where did I lose my keys? But they were in my jacket pocket.
At least you didn't really lose them.
True, but last month my car actually broke down. That was more serious.
Your car broke down? What did you do?
I had to call for help and deal with the situation calmly. It wasn't easy to deal with, but I managed.
Sometimes we just have to deal with these small problems.
Exactly. Now when I run late or miss the bus, I tell myself it's no big deal.
That's a healthy mindset. Most small problems are really no big deal.
Yes. Losing keys, missing a bus, running late. It's annoying, but it's no big deal in the end.
I agree. The important thing is to stay calm and deal with the problems step by step.
Right. Small problems happen. We just deal with them and move on.
Now let's check your memory. Look at the pictures carefully. Can you remember the expressions? If you can, that's fantastic. You're making real progress. If you can't remember everything, that's completely okay. Simply watch the lesson one more time and try again. Learning English is not about speed. It's about consistency. Every time you repeat and review, your English becomes stronger. If today's lesson helped you feel more confident speaking English, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to English with Confidence so you don't miss future lessons designed to help you grow step by step. Thank you for spending your time learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, small progress every day leads to big results. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my friend.